well, somewhere there is a party going down. Interesting people, conversation to be found. I've lived in cities where there is no solitude. I've made some friends there that I hope I'll never lose. But for now, I want to stay in this quiet town. The neighbors on my block, they've got stories to tell. This is the grocery, but once was a hotel. And Mr. Driscoll, he just stands there with his smile, inviting everyone he sees to come inside. This is the life I want, to live in a quiet town. Sometimes I miss the show. I learned a long time ago. Sometimes I miss the show. I learned a long time ago. Come Sunday morning, there's a market on the square. Children are playing, bells are ringing in the air. Old men are drinking, it's a lazy afternoon, content with thinking that there is nothing to do. So for now, I'm gonna stay in this quiet town. In this quiet town. In this quiet